This method can help answer key questions in the field of interprocedural image-based guidance about the limited anatomical information available from X-ray fluoroscopy with respect to a patient's 3D anatomy.
The main advantage of this technique is that it represents a further incremental advancement in real-time navigation of complex interventions that will ultimately lead to increased efficacy and safety of the procedures.
The number of TAVI procedures is continuously increasing in Germany, and with that, in some cases, the complexity is also very high. To treat those patients properly, we do need image fusion, especially in the field of cerebral embolic protection.
Although this procedure has been demonstrated for a specific system, it can easily be transferred to other systems as long as a similar software is available.
To segment the computed tomography, or CT, aorta and left ventricle images, drag the CT data into the patient's view within the image fusion software, and deselect the other tissues until only the aorta and left ventricle remain. Verify that the edges of the tissues are correctly detected in each slice, using the Edit button to modify the automatic segmentation in the tissue window as necessary. To perform manual segmentation of any additional structures, click Add and use the editing tools to fill the structure, drag the edges of the structure in the 2D view, or remove structure parts in the 3D view.